Here at Cooler Depot, we can fabricate your trailers upon request. Such examples like this one, where we can install equipment inside. Coming to the side of the trailer is a rail that can be positioned if needed. And coming to the top will be the concession windows along with the roof cover that will cover the windows whenever this trailer is traveling. And coming to the side, we have the generator box. And with the opening of the left and right doors, on the inside located on the left corner will be the VIN number along with the specifications for this trailer. Dimensions for the interior, we have 30 inches by 30 inches length by 30 inches in height. Measurements apply for the generator box. And right beneath is the tow hitch along with the beam attached to the trailer. Coming to the other side of the trailer, we have the other window. So left and right windows that can be open. And coming right beneath will be the drain for your water. Please contact us for inquiries regarding fabrication and customization. Such examples is that we can also install exhaust fans on top of the trailer along with equipment of your request. Keys will always be provided for this trailer. Coming inside the trailer, examples of installation offered. Particular setup will include a hand sink, a 3-bay sink, 2 griddles, along with 2 under-counter coolers or freezers. Coming to the side will be in work and serve area, and to the left and right are retractable screen windows. Breaker box for your lights. And coming to the top will be the hood. We have 110, 120 voltage outlets located on the front, back, and the corner area right next to the hand sink. And on top, we have a paper towel dispenser holder along with the soap dispenser. And again, we can fabricate and customize the trailer with the equipment requested. So please contact us for more inquiries. The measurements for this walkway will include 32 inches in length, 128 inches in depth, along with 84 inches in height. Examples of the plumbing included with this trailer, we have the fresh and waste water tanks, along with the water heater, hooked up with the 3-bay sink on top, that's ready for operation. Coming to the left side of the sink, we have the gas connection for your grill tops, along with the hood system. And again, these are just examples of what Cooler Depot has to offer in terms of customization. So please contact us for more inquiries and questions regarding fabrication. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepot.usa.com for more information on our trailers.